Imagine a place where the allure of pristine beaches and swaying palm trees meets the thrill of adventure and the richness of history. Antigua, a Caribbean gem, defies the stereotype of a laid-back island getaway. While it's true that its endless stretches of sun-kissed sand and turquoise waters are perfect for relaxation, this island holds a treasure trove of excitement for those craving more than just a horizontal holiday. But here's where it gets intriguing. Antigua seamlessly blends its serene beauty with a vibrant, adrenaline-fueled side that few destinations can match. For starters, history buffs will find themselves in paradise. Nelson's Dockyard, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to the island's colonial past. Beyond its museum and marina, the site offers immersive experiences like the Rum in the Ruins tour, where archaeology and cocktails collide in the most delightful way. And this is the part most people miss. Antigua's lush green hills are crisscrossed with hiking trails, offering panoramic views that... Now let's talk about sailing, because Antigua isn't just an island, it's a sailor's dream. Antigua Sailing Week, ASW, is more than a regatta. It's a global spectacle that transforms the island into a hub of maritime excitement. Even if you're not a sailing enthusiast, the Chase the Race experience ensures you're part of the action, complete with sunshine, catering, and front-row views of world-class yachts like Roy P. Disney's Pyewacket 70. But here's the question. Is sailing just for the elite, or can anyone truly embrace the spirit of the sea? Back on shore, the island's nightlife pulses with energy, especially around English Harbor's Yacht Club. Bars and restaurants buzz with stories of the sea, making it the perfect spot to unwind after a day of adventure. For those seeking a lively stay, the St. James Club Hotel is a standout choice. With spacious rooms, 6 pools, tennis courts, and a private beach, it's a family-friendly haven. As the sun sets, grab a rum punch and let the steel drums serenade you. It's the quintessential Antiguan experience. So here's the final thought. Is Antigua just another Caribbean destination, or is it a masterclass in balancing relaxation with adventure? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you prefer your vacations horizontal or heart-pumping?